Hello my friends, welcome to this little series about the best-ofs of the year. We have already seen the best-ofs about the technical images, about decoration, about the jobs quoted in 2021, about the animals. The present video is the last one of the series and probably the most important. Whereas our developed societies took a long time for being aware about the disastrous state of play of our planet, it is urgent to change our behavior for consuming less resources and energy. And in my videos, you will see that there is often a difference with other YouTubers for do-it-yourself, which is the fact that I'm only using very easy tools, like for instance the drilling machine, also the big drilling machine, for me it's an important tool, sanding machines and the jigsaw, and next year you will also see the circular saw. But you see that it's really modest in terms of the use of tools. Also the same for the resources. I'm trying to use the less resources for works I can. So here, this is starter wood that I bought, so that's the one you can buy as well. But I'm usually using little branches I cut for my trees. This is less CO2 related to the transport of the wood. The fire inside, you will need some old newspapers. These are fire starters. Then you need small wood. This is for my trees in the garden. They dried for maybe a couple of months, even a couple of years. In case you don't have any specific starters, of course this is very French here, you can use these camembert, empty camembert boxes. What is also very good is oysters packaging. In French we call this bourriche. So you can add up here. So this here is a very light wood. Today, for finding the solution, we'll be looking towards the jugaad innovation. It's a very interesting concept coming from India, which basically consists in finding technical solutions with what you have. Always in the spirit of the jugaad, if in case you need an additional hook, you can take this. This is a piece of a chain. And I'm taking these tools. And now you have an S for putting it somewhere else. Hello my friends, I love cycling. This is really a wonderful transportation mode, but also a big joy for your cardio training. So this year is my son's bicycle, a wonderful all-roads bicycle, 21 years. But what happens sometimes is this. So today we're having a look on how to repair a flat tire. What a great pleasure to do this very simple gesture of filling your glass with water. Behind this glass of water there is a lot of work, because first of all the water needs to be collected, then it needs to be treated, and this is quite complex. And then it has to be brought back to the houses. And definitely water should be a common good on which it shouldn't be possible to make some profits. This is an excellent opportunity for also recycling usefully the different boxes you have received by post. And in addition, it's also a good opportunity for recycling your pizza boxes, which usually do not fit in the waste bags. In 2022, we'll be speeding up about this sustainable mindset. There will be an incredible series about the reorganization of my workplace or my studio. And in these many different subjects, I'm showing you how to use old wood, recuperated wood, including in the street, for making shelves, or also what I'm calling the free storage space. And I'm talking here about, of course, physical storage space. In the end, these huge works have costed me the price of a couple of screws. So let's work on this balance, interesting balance for us, because we're consuming less resources and we are making savings for making sure that our way of working is aligned with the needs of our planet. I invite you now to have a look on my video introducing the reorganization of the studio, in which you will see the huge variety of subjects that I covered at the occasion of these rather big works. So see you in a minute on Happy Hour TV1.